Another day, another new franchisee. Hi mga ka-travel, my name is Vina of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours and I would like to congratulate and welcome po ang ating new franchisee na si Ma'am Rachel from Cavite na isa pong businesswoman. Actually, last year pa po, no, November, na nag-attend si Ma'am ng ating webinar and ngayon lang siya nagka-time na pumunta ng office to avail and to purchase the home-based affiliate na package po natin. No, kaya sa lahat po ng mga business owners na gustong magdagdag ng kanilang service sa kanilang business, no, pwedeng-pwede mo itong isabay ang online travel and tour business. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga pinakapatok na pwede mong simulan at pwede mong isabay kahit may existing business ka na. No, kung ikaw man naghahanap ng online traveling tour kahit sa ibang bansa ka, pwedeng-pwede din po ito na simulan ninyo. So, if you're looking for this kind of business and if you're looking for a liable na travel and tour company, wag pong mahiya, message mo lang ako directly sa aking messenger, no, or sa aking TikTok account, and I will guide you start your dream na online travel and tour business. Okay, God bless!